dear children. Yesterday we discussed about the chapter Our Rich Heritage. In this chapter we have discussed about the various languages of India. Yes, the different languages of India and our dresses and our folk dance and music. So today we have the topics our festivals and our architecture. So first we shall discuss about our festivals. So my dear students, what are festivals? So my dear children, festivals means lot of fun. It means when we share our joy and happiness with others is called a festival. In some of the festivals, people wear new dresses. Yes, and they decorate their houses also, and they share sweets and distribute gifts among each other. So these are called festivals. And in India we have number of festivals, but the main festivals are national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. And the last is harvest festivals. So we shall start with the first, our national festivals. So we have three types of national festivals. Yes, Independence Day, that is a type of a national festival. It is celebrated on 15th of August. And next is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January. And the last national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October. So these are our national festivals. Now next is religious festivals. There are many kind of religious festivals, and these are like Holi, Diwali, Dishera, Guru Purab and Gandhi Jayanti. So these are kinds of our religious festivals. And the last is we have harvest festivals. So my dear students, what is the meaning of harvest? Harvest means to collect the crops. Whatever has been planted and grown on the ground is called a harvest. Harvesting is usually done by the farmers. Yes, so this is called harvest festivals. In India we have number of harvest festivals like Onam in Kerala, Bihu in Assam and Baisakhi in Punjab. So these are the kinds of the harvest festivals. The next topic we shall discuss about our architecture. So before started this topic architecture, we have to discuss about this word. What is architecture? Architecture means art of making buildings. Yes, style of making designs. So this is called architecture. In India, India is a land of a beautiful country. Yes, and there are number of architectures are there. First is stupas. Stupas at Sanchi and Sarnath is a beautiful example of architecture. Yes, Sanchi Stupa is built in Madhya Pradesh and Sarnath Stupa is built in Uttar Pradesh. And these are stupas which are built by the our emperors, and these are the beautiful examples of our architecture. And number of tourists come here to see the beauty of these stupas. Now next we have the example. There are so many temples, yes, which gives us the beauty of the great style of architecture. Yes, the Sun Temple that is located in Konark, Kailash Temple at Ellora in Maharashtra, Meenakshi Temple at Madurai and the Jain temples of Mount Abu. These are the beautiful examples of architecture, and we can't ignore the beauty of Taj Mahal. Yes, Taj Mahal in Agra is a beautiful example of architecture, and number of tourists come here to visit the beauty of Taj Mahal in Agra. And Gol Gumbaz at Bizapur is also a beautiful example of architecture. So there are some more examples in our India like Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Humayun tomb in New Delhi is also a grand style of